With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is, what is the effect on the time period of a simple pendulum if the mass of the bob is if the mass of the bob is doubled? Let's find out. We know that the time period of a simple pendulum is t, that is equal to 2 pi root L divided by g. L is the length of pendulum and g is acceleration due to gravity, which is different at different planets, right? So time period does not depend on the mass of the bob. We can say that time period of simple pendulum does not depend on mass of the bob. Right? So no effect on time period due to change in mass. Right? So we can say that option number 4 is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.